Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. Well, I gotta go rescue the Dodge Nitro, and unfortunately, my Ford Explorer blew a brake line, so now I can't use that on the tow dolly to go get it and bring it back. So I had to drop by our local U-Haul and rent a 15-foot box truck that I'll be able to hook up to the dolly and then go get it. The daughter reported she was coming up a hill, the engine spiked, and then it shut down. So that's where I'm at now. So I got to go get it and find out what's happened. So stay tuned. All right, we now have my dolly hooked up to their U-Haul truck. So unfortunately, again, my Explorer, the brake line blew on it, so I can't freaking tow. The my daughter's boyfriend's truck has blown a line, so it's not available. And one of my best friends, his fuel line broke, is blowing fuel. So I got I had nobody to help me out, unfortunately. And I called the tow truck company, and they want $200 to go 25 miles. And of course, I don't have roadside assistance from Geico. Why? I don't know. I got to check on that and find out why. It's only it's $8. It's $8 a month per vehicle. So that's probably why. But guess what? And it's over a 6-month period. Well, it would have been simple. It would have been $200 saved. And renting this truck has cost me $75. So, half of what it was going to cost to have somebody else tow it. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, I just noticed something. When you get in the vehicle, your tow selection is on. So you're not going to have overdrive. And I just noticed with it on, you're going to go over there, you're going to see a little trailer. And I didn't realize it until I got in. So when you put that, got the little button in the end here. Push it in, you'll release it, or push it on, push it in, and then it'll kick it on. So if you're not towing anything, go ahead and push that button in. Get the little trailer off of here. Okay? So when you haven't got anything in the truck, go ahead and turn that off. But if you fill the truck up, you're gonna have to turn that on. You don't want to break down because the overdrive is screwed up because you're towing a car behind you, and that's putting way too much strain on that's even regular vehicles. You've got overdrive selection, so if you're towing something heavy, you're going to go ahead and take it out of overdrive. So, anyway, let you know that, and I just figured that out. Well, there it is. I'm gonna figure out where I'm gonna park, get in front of it, and back up to it, and all that good stuff. Figured something out on this. This actually has a manual shifting. See the M? Get the M right here. Yup, there's the M right there. You put that in M, and then you're gonna see, I'll put it in M, you're gonna see what gear you're in. See one? You have a manually shifter right here. As you're going down, you can go up and you can go down as you need. Other than that, go ahead and keep it in drive. And we're gonna back up and we're gonna get this hooked up. All right, we're home. Oh man, we had a nice officer from Geneseo come by and says, "Can I help you?" Oh, he's getting ready to pull out. He says, "Well, I'll block traffic for you." And I says, "Okay, thank you." So, other than that, it's home again. I don't know what's wrong with it, whether I have a transmission problem or an engine problem. So, all right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely sure. And we'll catch you on the next Day's Garage Project Nitro. We'll go ahead and start it up. So I'm gonna move it forward and lock it. Let's get off the freaking thing here. See what you think it is. All right, now the battery's still dead. Let's see if she'll start. Wow. Oh my word. My carburation here is not right either. Battery. We have 2 jumper boxes on there now. Sounds really good, don't it? Whoop. Okay. Hold it right there. Yeah, sounds really good, doesn't it? Hey, a lack of oil. We got a bat, we got a... Yeah, don't we? Ain't that something? Ay. Lack of oil, I think. We get some oil in it. Maybe it'll quiet up. I don't know. Something happened though. She said she spiked up and the engine shut down. Alright, I'm on my way to take this back. I'm right on it. It gave me 45 miles. And I'm right at 43. And I had to took it at a quarter of a tank, and it's got right about where I took it from. So we're all set. All right, we got it back. 45.8 miles. We estimated 45. And I got it here on the quarter of a tank. Thanks to the Wayland group here. I guess they do have a smaller truck. Doesn't have a hitch on it. Yeah, it does. Guess I could have gone with a smaller truck. But anyway, we're good. Hey, Dana, and welcome to my garage. As you can see, the Nitro just starts right back up. It's gonna get certain. Once it appears, once it warms up, it shuts down. So, and it shuts down after you get a low oil light. So I am troubleshooting oil pressure on this. I don't know whether the pickup is bad or our oil pump is bad. So that's where I'm at right now with this. Stay tuned. Alright, so it's in here now. So I want to troubleshoot oil pressure on it. I looked at a form. I know it should be right around 4 pounds, 4 psi. And then there's a big swing between 25 and 110 once you get rolling down the road. So I just don't know where we are with this. I want to change the oil in it. It's probably gone. Let me look and see. 6401 96 4 see 90 got 196,400 miles on it, or when it got inspected. Now it's got 9,766 on it. So it has gone almost 4,000 miles since the oil change. So it definitely needs an oil change. What I need to do is I want to do an oil pressure check on it. I gotta figure out where the port is so I can do a pressure check. Stay tuned. All right, we got it in here. What I'm doing right now, I've already drained the oil in it. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the pan and check that pickup. About all I can do. To change that pump, we're talking, we have to pull the whole front off of this. What's going on up here? To do that, I have to pull the whole front of the vehicle. I got to pull the harmonic balancer off because it's all underneath that. So the only thing I can do right now is just go ahead and pull the pan, check the pickup on it, make sure it's not clogged, and put it all back in it and run it, because I have to pull the whole front end of that freaking motor off to get to that oil pump. All right, well, I got all the bolts out that I can at this point. Those are all 10s. And what I mean by at this point, what I got to do now is I got to drop this plate here. It covers your flywheel. So unfortunately, I got to drop that to get in there and get the rest of the bolts out. It's not a fun job. All right, I had to pull those. These are like 15s, 16s. What do we got here? 15. Yeah, these are 15s. That one's got an oddball, I think, because that's a 14. I don't know how I got, when I had to do this earlier. Okay, so those are 15, 14s. And that gives you enough room to get between here and drop and get that, maybe get it dropped. We'll have to see. Now we're gonna have to pound on it to get it to let go. Alright, well, unfortunately, that freaking oil pan gasket is sticking to the pan, and it's sticking to the surface because it's bolted on there, but it's stuck to the oil pan, so I couldn't get it to come down. So I cheated. I went to a website real quick. It is okay. So all my bolts are back in. They're all snug. Now to put the transmission bracket back in. Put it down. Those are all 40 foot-pounds, I believe. Alright, we're done. Gotta be careful with this freaking back bolt here. Make sure you know which ones came out of there. If you don't, they're gonna be too big and you're gonna screw things up and it's gonna be hard to get the right ones back in. So everything's torqued up. All my bolts up there are in good shape, all snug. And unfortunately, because it is four-wheel drive, your front gearbox is not going to let you drop that pan. You're just not going to be able to do it because this subframe right here, you're screwed. All right. So I had no choice but to put it back up. I can't do any inspections like I wanted to. Thought I was going to be able to do it, but ain't happening. All right, so we get oil back in it. I got to figure out where to put the gauge so I can read the pressure on it and make sure it's correct. That's where I'm at. Stay tuned. Okay, our dipstick. Yeah, right. Doing some tripping here. I think we got lack of oil. Shut her down. See the shininess on that? I believe you're going to see it's a 30. Which means we're right in there. We're perfect for that temperature. So we don't have any issues with the transmission. Okay, so let's go. LERD. So 1.3, look at what, like 1.5 maybe. We can see there's gonna be this 30 right there. So 1.5. We're kind of in this little area here. That's 30. We're kind of like right on it. 1.5. 30. Crossing the line. Okay, so open. Thank you. Alright, so for that transmission there, and temperature wise, your area is right in there. It's going right across that line. Got your high line, got your middle line, got your low line. So for 110 or 1.5, you're crossing right in there. Alright, so that's where we're at the moment. Next we got to find out what the oil pressure is on this.